Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are well at home. Myself Mrs. Rani Sheikh from LCMS Chabua. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 5th English. Today we are going to discuss our first chapter from grammar book. The name of your chapter is noun. Before we start noun, I would like to introduce parts of speech. What is parts of speech and how many they are? So children, words are divided into different kinds or classes are called parts of speech according to their use or according to the work they do in sentence. So children, according to their use or according to the work, words are divided into different kinds and classes. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Types of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. There are 8 parts of speech in our English language. So children, why am I explaining you parts of speech first? Because noun is also one of its kind. So let's begin the chapter noun. This is your English book, English grammar book. So children, look at your English grammar book. So children, what is noun? Do you know? You have already know in previous classes. So children, today I will explain noun and its type. What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, state or quality. What is noun? I repeat this definition. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, state or quality. For example, Ravi, Tuffy, Delhi, books, etc. So what is this? What is noun, children? Name of a place, name of a person, name of an animal, name of a thing, name of a feeling, name of a state or name of a quality. For example, what is Ravi? What is Ravi? Ravi is the name of a person, that is a noun. Tuffy, Tuffy is the name of a animal, that is a noun. Book, what is book? The name of a thing, that is noun. So children, all naming words are noun. Every name is noun. The name of anything, that is noun. So children, wherever you sit, look around and find out how many noun is there. So types of noun. There are 5 types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, concrete noun, abstract noun and material noun. What is common noun? So children, what is common noun? A common noun is the common name of all persons, places, animals or things which are of the same kind. Example, boy, girl, man, mobile, shoes, animal, city, building, etc. What is the meaning of common? Common means not specific. Common means not specific. It's common to all. That is common name, not a specific name, not a special name for someone. Common name to person, common name to places, common name for animals, common name of things which are of the same kind. Which are of the same kind. For example, boy. Rajat and Ravi are name of a person. But what we say, what is his quality? That is boy. One more example, mobile. Do you know children? Variety of mobile available in the market. For example, Vivo, Oppo, iPhone, etc. But what we say? Mobile. Why? Because it is common name of a thing. Common name of a thing, that is a common noun. One more example, shoes. Shoes, variety of shoes available in the market. For example, leather, Liberty, Bata. But what we say commonly? Shoes. That is the example of common noun. Proper noun. What is proper noun, children? Proper noun is the name of a specific person, place or thing. I repeat this definition. Proper noun is the name of a specific person, place or thing. Example, Ravi, Rashmi, Tuffy, Delhi, Mumbai, Taj Mahal, etc. So children, what is proper noun? Proper noun means specific name of a person, specific name of a place, specific name of a thing, that is called as a proper noun. For example, what is Ravi? Ravi is the specific name of a person, that is a proper noun. Rashmi is specific name of a person, that is person, it is proper noun. Tuffy is the name of a specific animals, a specific animal name, that is proper noun. Delhi is the specific name of a place, that is proper noun. Mumbai also, and Taj Mahal is specific name of a monument, that is called as proper noun. So children, proper noun always begin with a capital letter. I repeat this, proper noun always begin with a capital letter. What? Collective noun. Collective noun. What is collective? According to the definition, according to the name, collective means collection. Collection of things, collection of people, collection of place are called collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a group, of a person, place or thing. Example, crowd, team. What is crowd? Group of person, that is collective noun is crowd. Group of students is called batch. Group of players is called team. Group of soldiers is called army. What is concrete noun? So children, concrete nouns are the names of the things that we can see, touch and feel. What is concrete noun? Concrete nouns are the names of the thing that we can see, touch and feel. Can we see bucket? Yes, we can see, we can touch and we can feel. You can see water? Yes, we can see, we can touch and we can feel also. So children, those things are we can see, we can touch and feel, that is concrete noun. For example, the girl filled her bucket with water from the well. Here bucket, water and well. What is this? This is a concrete noun. We can see, we can touch and we can feel. Pinku climbed the tree to pluck the mangoes. Here tree and mangoes are concrete noun because we can see, we can touch and we can feel. Here bucket, trees, water, well, mangoes are the names of the things that we can see, we can touch and we can feel. They are concrete nouns. Abstract noun. What is abstract nouns? Children, according to the definition, an abstract noun is the name of an idea, feeling or state which we cannot touch or see but only feel. I repeat this definition. An abstract noun is the name of an idea, feeling or state which we cannot touch or see but only feel. So children, what is this? What is this example? Honesty. Can you see honesty? No. Can you touch honesty? No. But we can feel honesty. Can you see happiness? Can you touch happiness? No. But we feel happiness. Can you see anyone idea? No. We cannot see anyone idea. We cannot touch anyone idea. But we can feel idea, anyone idea. So children, we cannot touch or see but only feel, that is abstract noun. These are the names of the things that we cannot see or touch but we can feel, that is abstract noun. What is material noun? So children, name of a material or substance is called material noun. Material means matter, substance means matter is called material noun. It is which is found in nature. For example, gold, silver, salt, air, etc. What is compound nouns? Children, what is compound noun? Compound nouns are the nouns formed by joining two or more nouns. I repeat this definition. Compound nouns are nouns formed by joining two or more nouns. Here example time. Time is one noun, and table also noun. We mix together, join together and make a new compound word which is timetable. News is a noun and paper also noun. We join together and make a new compound word, compound noun. What is this? This is a newspaper. Black also noun, board also noun. We join together and make one word blackboard. So children, do you understand what is the difference between common noun and proper noun? Common noun is the common name to all persons, place, animal or things, but proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now exercise, let's do exercise. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common noun in this sentence. Mr. Jones is my neighbor. What is Mr. Jones? Mr. Jones is a proper noun because it is particular person's name, specific name of a person, that is a proper noun. Neighbor is a common noun. Mr. Bhatt is a specific person, that is proper noun. Mr. Bhatt is my favorite teacher. Teacher is a common noun, common to all. Jake and Ted are good friends. Jake and Ted are proper noun. Why it is proper? Proper noun? Because both are specific name and friends are common noun. I have read the novel Treasure Island twice. Here Treasure Island proper noun and novel is a common noun. My cousin Asim is arriving tonight. Cousin is common noun and Asim is proper noun. Here tonight also common noun. Vadodara. What is Vadodara? Vadodara is a specific city, specific place of is a beautiful city. City is a common noun. The head girl Janki is good in studies. Girl common noun and Janki, it is a specific name of a person, that is proper noun. Studies also common noun. Maharashtra. What is Maharashtra? A specific name of a place, is a state in western India. Now second question is fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Team, gang, deck, class, murder, set, flock, colony, pack, crew. So group of students is called class, group of cars is called deck, group of thieves is called gang, group of crows is called murder, group of players is called team, group of ants is called colony, a group of sailors is called crew, a group of walls is called pack, a group of tools is called set, a group of birds is called flock. Fill in the blanks with suitable noun. Grass, stones, stars, pigeon, sticks, people, fish, drawer, roses and bees. They are a noun. A swarm of bees gather around the flower. A swarm of bees gather around the flowers. I saw a constellation of stars in the sky. A heap of stones lay in a corner. Collected a bundle of sticks for the bonfire. A crowd of people gathered to celebrate for the festival. The child presented a bouquet of roses to the principal. I bought a new chest of a drawer for the house. Circle the abstract noun in the sentence. Abstract noun, do you know children? We cannot touch, we cannot see, but we can feel. So you can see, we can touch success, we can see, no, we can feel. Rajiv's success brought his mother a lot of happiness. So success and happiness both are abstract noun. I asked for help for my teacher. Here help is abstract noun. I find satisfaction in doing a task well. Here satisfaction is an abstract noun. We can only feel. I lost my purse because of his carelessness. Carelessness also abstract noun because we can feel only. Mona is afraid of darkness. Darkness here also abstract noun. I can hear movement in the corridor. Is it a thief? Mangoes grown in Malda are known for their sweetness. News of a burglary caused disturbance in the city. Can you see disturbance? No, but we can feel because it is abstract noun. Fill in the blanks with the abstract noun formed from the given words. Jealous, forgetful, brave, strong, cruel, innocent, or free. So children, Mahatma Gandhi fought for India's freedom. We should not show cruelty to animals. Mahesh is known for his strength. We should not show jealousy when others are successful. 5 students received awards for their bravery. Same was scolded for his forgetfulness. I believe in the prisoner's innocence. What is compound noun? I repeat again, compound nouns are nouns formed by joining 2 or more nouns. Joining 2 or more nouns. The meaning of the compound noun can be sometimes be completely different from the words used to form it. Example, time, table, time plus table is equal to timetable. Black here noun, board also noun, board together, join together, blackboard. Let's exercise. Underline the compound nouns in this sentence. I read the newspaper in the morning. Newspaper, what is newspaper? It is compound noun. A noun, news is noun, one noun, and paper also noun. Both joined together make a compound noun. Jane broke my teacup accidentally. Here teacup is compound noun. I was in my bedroom when the doorbell rang. My sister dressed up as a magician at the fancy dress competition. So children, fancy dress. What is fancy dress? Fancy is a one noun and dress also noun. Joined together make a compound noun. My mother took away the matchbox from my little brother. Farida bought a beautiful handbag for herself. This writing desk belonged to my great grandmother. Here grandmother also compound noun. I learned to make pasta from my aunt's cookbook. Here cookbooks also compound noun because cook also noun, book also noun, joined together make a compound noun. So children, make 4 compound noun using the given words. One of each has been done for you. Here hairpin. Hair is noun and pin also noun. Make together, join together. What is compound noun? Hairpin, hairband and haircut. Book, bookworm, bookshelf and bookcase. Ball, football, footnote, footstep and footbridge. Here tea, teapot, teacup, teaspoon, tea cake. Table and cloth. Make together, join together. Tablecloth, table mat and tablespoon. Toothache, toothbrush and toothpaste. So children, I hope you understand very well noun and type. Thank you and have a nice day.